Hi friends, today we will take a look at making spicy squid's ghee roast. With cook?
Anybody can cook.
Subscribe and press the bell icon. For this preparation you will need 250 grams thoroughly cleaned squid. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder, quarter teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon lime juice, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and mix it all well. Now once you're done with the mixing, keep it aside for around 20 minutes. Now for the masala in a pan, let's roast 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Now stir it well for a while and do not let it burn. The best way to get this done is to let it roast until it is slightly brown in color. After a while, this is how it will begin to look. Once you've achieved the brown color-like status, keep it aside. Now again in a pan, let's add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Stir it a little bit without using oil. Now once the chopped garlic turns slightly brown, add to that around 4 to 5 red chilies. We've used a little more. Now stir it all a bit. Be careful not to burn it. You could reduce the flame if you wish. Now once all the roasted ingredients have cooled, add them to the grinder along with water and grind it to a smooth paste. Do not make the paste very watery. If required, while cooking we could add a little more water. Not at this stage. Now to stir fry the squids, in a pan, let us add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, add the marinated squids to this and stir it a bit. Be careful not to overcook squids as they can turn rubbery. And fry it for just 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Now for roasting the paste. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter to a pan. To this add the ground paste. And stir the masala to begin cooking it. To avoid any wastage of the masala in the grinder, add to that a little bit of water, shake it up and add it to this mixture. Now to this masala, add about 1 tablespoon chopped jaggery, about 1 tablespoon soaked tamarind, and stir it all to mix it well. When the water has evaporated from the masala, add the sautéed squid to this and stir for a while. Now add a few curry leaves. Stir it well to evenly coat the squids. We recommend you taste the masala for the spicy levels before you serve it. If required, you could increase the usage of jaggery as per your liking. Subscribe for more interesting and easy recipes.